Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a super simple dish that you can make with an air fryer, and it's also very healthy. If you're looking for something light yet delicious, don't miss this recipe. Benefits of eggplant. Eggplant is not only tasty, but also offers many health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, helping slow down the aging process. Good for heart health, helps reduce cholesterol. High in fiber, supporting a healthy digestive system. Low in calories, great for those on a diet. When combined with red bell peppers and olive oil, this dish also provides extra vitamins and healthy fats. Cut the eggplant in half. Score the flesh to help it cook faster. Soak in salt water to prevent browning, then rinse. Dice the red bell pepper. Mince the garlic. Wash and chop the parsley. First roast. Place the eggplant in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 8 minutes until softened. Add toppings. Remove the eggplant and add the red bell pepper on top. Second roast. Add mozzarella cheese and cook for another 3 minutes until melted. Enhance the flavor. Mix minced garlic with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then drizzle over the eggplant. Finish. Take it out, sprinkle parsley on top, and add a little extra pepper or olive oil if desired. The final dish is soft, naturally sweet eggplant with a light garlic aroma and a creamy touch from the cheese. Both delicious and healthy. With just a few simple ingredients and an air fryer, you can create a tasty, healthy dish for the whole family. Don't forget to follow the channel for more great recipes. See you in the next video.